I'm working with data from a coffee chain, and I want to explore how much profit was made for each product in each quarter. To help me explore the data in my crosstab, I'll use two quick table calculations: running total and percent of total. Quick table calculations can be used to quickly bring predefined computations into a view that act only on the data in the view. I'm going to add the totals and subtotals to this view so we can observe the calculations as we play with them. To help explore my data, I want to see how profits have accumulated over time since 2012. I'll right-click Profit and select Quick Table Calculation. This provides a list of some default calculations. Let's select a running total. This changes the data in the table to show the running total of profit for each product, added up each quarter. This table calculation is being computed using the scope and direction of table across. I can tell because the totals in my last quarter equal the grand totals on the right. Once the table calculation is added, we can still change the way it's computed. For example, if we want to see the running total of profit by each quarter, we can right-click the Profit field and take a look at our choices next to Compute Using. Let's compute using Table Down. Now we can see the running total of profits within each quarter-year combination. Notice that the column's grand totals match the last product value, but the row grand totals do not. Another way we could explore this data is to compute the total using Pane across. The pane in the view is defined by the first dimension in the row shelf, or years in this view. So we get a pane for each product for each year, like Amaretto in 2012 and Amaretto in 2013. Calculated this way, you'll notice that the profit is totaled for each product for each year, like all the Amaretto in 2012, and then at the start of the new year, the total starts over. The grand total column shows the total for all the panes added together. Now I want to explore the data using percent of total. First, I'll clear the table calculation. We want to see the percent of total profit for each product in quarter, so we'll add a new calculation for the percent of total. It defaults to computing using Table Across. The values in the table have all been switched to percentages, and you can see the direction of the calculation because the table shows 100% in the grand total column. Take a moment to see a few other ways we can compute this table calculation.
For each quarter, table down. Table across for each product here, row. So the calculation shows the percent of contribution for each quarter to the total profit for each product. Yeah, for each product. Pane down. So this will help you. This is why I told you in a bit, I will show you how you can easily understand answering the question of the previous video. The pane is in fact defined by the highest level of detail. So pane down, that would be within the highest level of detail. Let's check. This is pane down. Oh, okay. These two. Yeah. So this is the highest level of detail, which is product type. So this is pane down. So this is the panes going down, and these are the panes going across. The panes across is defined by the date. The panes down are defined by the product type, which is the highest level of detail here vertically, and this is the highest level of detail horizontally. Yeah, you see that? So cell-wise. So I think the previous question was having all hundreds here. 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, yeah? So if it was a pane down, you see, these panes here in within, This is the total, and this is the grand total, all hundreds. Do you see that? Do you guys see that? So this is, in fact, within this is the total out of 100, total out of 100, total out of 100, total. This is the subtotals, all out of 100. You see that? So this is why it was, in this case, it was pane down. Yeah. Look at the pane across. The hundreds are here. Do you see? That was from the previous question. And I told you I'm going to show you in a bit. Yeah. I was gonna actually make a video myself to show it to you, but this video is really great to show you with animation and all that. You see that? This is a pane across. Yeah. Good, good, good. This table shows a quick table calculation using percent of total. Okay. You see the percentages, all hundreds. Yeah. So how was it computed? Since the hundreds are here, we're talking about it, it's pinned down, right? So let's check. Yes. So where the hundreds is over there, like on the vertical, rather than the horizontal, it would have been pinned across. Good, good, good.
Quick table calculations are a fast and powerful way to probe your data more deeply within the context of your view. Understanding how these calculations work and are computed will help you reach a new plateau in your data visualization expertise.
Okay, thank you so much.